On your ZFE, Link Monsoon, 2-wire idle speed control. Check this out. Look. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Whoop. That's pretty cool. It's been a long time since I've had this problem on one of these. It used to be really common on the older ECUs. This one's got a slightly different idle speed control unit. The actual unit itself is a different manufacturer, and it doesn't have a piece of heavy duty hose going to it like I normally run. I normally run like a thick universal hose, and I'm not even blocking the hole when I put my finger on the throttle body. I just sort of run it past it. You can feel it pulsating. I'll show you the solution, As I said, I've seen this in the past. We used to see it quite a lot. And back in the days of it was a different problem with the stepper motors where they'd rev too high. Same solution. Watch this. Take this. Now I'm actually recreating this problem. Right, so now there's a small hose in here. It breaks it down from that size to about a 10 mil. Still plenty for cold start. Sorted. Easy fix. So if you're having that issue, which I said isn't very common these days, but if you are, there's a solution. Just restrict it down just a little bit. There'll be something to do with the harmonics frequencies through that hose, whether the hose is not quite right or whatever. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. I've got a solution. No one will know that's in there except the guys that have watched this video. Has no other negative effects. Okay, it still can do the cold start up like it should, still do everything like it should. So, hey, hope that's been helpful. Talk to you again soon. Catch you later.